Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've been on the hunt for a night treatment that promises to turn back time while tackling multiple skin concerns, you might want to stick around for this review. Tonight, we're looking at the Clinique Smart Night Clinical MD Multi-Dimensional Repair Treatment, which combines retinol, vitamin C, salicylic acid, and peptides for a potent anti-aging, hydrating solution. Sounds like a lot, right? Let's dive into whether it lives up to its claims. This treatment comes in a sleek 1 phthalates bottle, pretty standard for a targeted skincare product. What stands out immediately is its powerhouse combination of ingredients. With hyaluronic acid for hydration, retinol for cell turnover, and salicylic acid to exfoliate, this product isn't shy about taking on multiple skin issues like fine lines, dullness, and clogged pores. And the addition of vitamin C and peptides makes it even more of a multitasker. So, what's the reality behind these ingredients working together? When I first incorporated this into my routine, I noticed a silky, smooth texture that absorbed into my skin without feeling greasy. I applied it as my final step in my evening routine, following my usual cleansing serum. The treatment itself is lightweight and doesn't leave a sticky residue, which I appreciate since I prefer products that don't feel heavy at night. Now, let's talk about the real-world testing. Over the course of a few weeks, I used it consistently, noticing my skin felt more hydrated the next morning. Never dry or tight, which can sometimes happen with retinol-based products. The first few days, though, my skin did experience a mild tingling sensation, which I believe is from the salicylic acid and retinol working their magic. Nothing intense, but definitely something to be mindful of if you have sensitive skin. I also didn't experience any irritation, which I found can sometimes be a risk with potent anti-aging ingredients. So what's the verdict? Here's the breakdown. Pros: hydrating. Despite the active ingredients, it keeps skin moisturized. Effective combination. The blend of retinol, peptides, and vitamin C works well for anti-aging, exfoliating, and brightening. Lightweight texture. Easy to incorporate into your night routine without feeling heavy. Absence of strong fragrance. A plus for sensitive skin types. Cons: mild irritation. The tingling sensation could be uncomfortable for those with very sensitive skin. Small bottle. At 1 phthalates, it might run out quicker than you'd like, especially if you use it daily. As for value for money, it's priced higher than some other night treatments, but I think the results justify the cost, especially if you're looking for an all-in-one treatment that tackles multiple skin concerns. However, if you're on a tighter budget, you may find alternatives with similar benefits. Some retinol serums at a lower price point may not have the same concentration of ingredients, but can still deliver solid results. The build quality is excellent. Clinique has always been known for creating functional, no-frills packaging that's both sleek and easy to use. As for longevity, I noticed noticeable changes in my skin's texture after about 2 weeks, with continued improvements as I went into the 3rd week. This product is designed to be used consistently for the best results. There's no major customer service experience to report here, but Clinique is generally known for solid customer support, should you need it. Their products also tend to have positive customer feedback on their site, which is always a good sign. If you're looking for alternatives, there are some great options like Neutrogena's Rapid Wrinkle Repair or Rose C Retinol Correction, which come at a more affordable price point, but still pack a punch with their retinol and anti-aging benefits. To wrap it up, the Clinique Smart Night Clinical MD treatment is a solid option if you're after a multitasking anti-aging product. The combination of ingredients works well, and the results are promising, especially for those concerned with fine lines, dullness, and hydration. If you've got the budget and want a high-quality product, it's worth considering. Just be aware of the potential irritation if you're new to retinol or have sensitive skin. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to check the description or comments below for the link to purchase. And if you've tried this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. How did it work for your skin? Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.